and learn. ABCs. Word families. OT. Ought. Let's get started. That looks like it might be a handle. Same thing on the other side, too. It's something silver. I wonder what it could be. Oh, I think I know what this is.
Pot.
P-O-T. Pot. Let's play again. I see something brown. A little more brown. Oh, there's a lot of brown. It looks like some kind of rope. Do you know what it is?
Knot.
K-N-O-T. Knot. Let's do one more. I see something orange. And something green. It looks like it could be some kind of fruit. I think I know.
Apricot.
A-P-R-I-C-O-T. Apricot. Can you remember all the words that we discovered in the OT word family? Pot, knot, and apricot. Nice work! Bye for now!